Another concentration unit that we're going to be using is mass percent. Okay, mass percent is simply the mass of the solute over the mass of solution times 100. So this is showing the fact that I'm pouring in 10 grams of sucrose and 100 grams of water, to make this until it makes, 100 grams total. Pour water into 100 grams total. So 10 divided by 100 times 100 gives me 10%. So one of the problems is, what is the percent by mass? Because percents come in different things, so you have to specify. What is the percent by mass if I have 5 grams of iron 2 sulfate? Sorry, I'm trying to change the pen color. Dissolved in 75 grams of water. So just like we normally do, okay, it wants to know the mass percent. I'm going to just abbreviate it with a percent sign. And yes, that's my percent sign. Mass, I have another mass, it's 5.0 grams, and that's FeSO4, but you don't have to have the formula for this one. And then I have another mass that is 75 grams of water. So the formula is mass percent is the mass, and I like to be more specific, so the solute in this case is my FeSO4. You can just put solute if you want, over mass of solution times 100. Okay, we have the mass of the iron 2 sulfate. Do we have the mass of solution? So is water going to be representative of the solution? And the answer is no. The water is the solvent. So this is a solvent. This is the solute. So when I introduced the concentration units in the last video, I said that mass, or I said solution basically. It didn't matter if it was mass. The solution is going to be the mass of the solute plus the mass of the solvent. So in this case it's going to be 5.0 grams plus 75.0 grams to give me 80 grams. So therefore, plugging numbers in, I have 5.0 grams divided by 80.0 grams times 100, and when I do that math I get 6.25%. I don't know what that was. Okay. Alright, so that's the easiest one. Okay. Alright, again, like I said last time, I suggest pausing the video, trying to do this one first, and then come back and check your answer. Okay. So this time they want to know the amount in grams. Well, grams is a unit of mass, so they want to know what the mass of H2O2 is. If I have a 6 kilogram, and you have to read past this, but solution, so mass of solution is equal to 6.00 kilograms, and my mass percent is 3.00%. So this is basically, if you go buy hydrogen peroxide at the store, this is what it is. Okay. All right. So before I start this, okay, since I want my answer in grams, I'm going to go ahead and change it here. I could do the math and then change it. It doesn't really matter. It's multiplying by 1,000 or moving the decimal place 3 to the right, whatever you want to try to do, but it's 1,000 grams of solution. Okay. So again, my formula is mass percent. It's going to be the mass of H2O2 over mass of solution times 100. Okay, so I have 3% is equal to, I'm just going to put an X there, it's easier than writing out mass of hydrogen peroxide, over 6,000 times 100. Okay, now this is read as x divided by 6,000. So in order to isolate x, I have to do the opposite mathematical function. So if this is division, the opposite mathematical function is multiplication. So I'm going to take 3.00 times 6,000. And the mathematical order doesn't matter here, is x times 100. And so this is 18,000 is equal to 100x if I want to. And now this is 100 times x. So again, the opposite mathematical function of times is divide. So I'm going to divide each side by 100. So I get 18,000 divided by 100 is equal to x. And so x was 180 grams of H2O2. And that is the end of this video.